Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Beautec Scale Remover and Salt Cell Cleaner. What is Beautec Scale Remover and Salt Cell Cleaner? The Easy Care Beautec liquid formula is Easy Care's highest quality stain, scale, and scum prevention and remover product. This product effectively and aggressively attacks existing stain and scale buildups, while also preventing them from reforming on your pool equipment and surfaces. In addition to this product removing unwanted stains and scales, it will not affect chlorine chemistry, and it also will not add phosphates to the water. Product benefits: stain, scale, and scum prevention and remover product. Prevents stain and scale deposits from reforming. Will not affect chlorine chemistry. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.